The display menu is where you can do various things about what you can see on the screen. For instance, the polygon boundaries for the postcodes, in this instance, we can change the line thickness, as you can see. And we can also change the line opacity, so we can make it really dark or really faint, down to practically 0. So we change the line thickness, line opacity down to 0. No boundaries will appear. We can show or hide large portions of the country: England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales. We can also use this part of the menu system to inspect individual postcodes. So we'll just make that a bit darker again so we can see it. And we can click on any of the polygons, and down here it'll give us some information about each of the polygons, like so.